Over the past few months, I have been juggling 4 different YouTube channels. One of them I never even really told anybody about, just as an experiment. And to be honest, the whole thing is an experiment as a whole. And I'm about to dive into that right now. What's up, everybody? This is DDS. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. With this video, I'm about to explain to you why I had 4 YouTube channels and what are the results of this whole experiment I've been doing here lately, and letting you guys know how I plan on moving in the future. So first things first, these videos that I post on my DDS825 vlogs channel will eventually end up on my DDS825 channel. That's just the main channel. I do music and everything there. You may be asking yourself, why am I doing this? Why not just upload everything there? Well, based on my audience, a lot of the people on the DDS825 channel enjoy these videos, so I place them over there. But the reason why I'm placing them here is so that way they could be their own separate thing and grow on their own. The audience that subscribes here will know what to expect here, versus on my main channel, you may get these type of videos. You may get some beats playing by themselves, you may get beat making videos, may get product reviews, and so on and so on. At least over here, it's going to just be videos like this, where I'm talking about business, money, life, family, pretty much life related. Have some travel vlogs. I have one huge video that I plan on editing and putting over here soon. And yeah, so I'm putting that stuff here so my audience that's already here will know what to expect, and you will get videos consistently here. And also, like I said, I'll be sharing these over to my main channel, but they'll be like on a delay. It won't be when I drop this one, I'm dropping this over there the same day. It won't be like that. It may come out a week later over there, something like that. Now, the benefit of doing this, I guess I should let you guys know where all of this started. So let me take you back. So I've been on YouTube for years, and I hit 40,000 subscribers a few months ago on my main channel. And I want to say I'm like at 41.6K subscribers, which is great. Subscribers aren't everything, and sometimes the growth is slow. It pops, it goes up, it goes down. I know about all that stuff. However, it seems like my growth was going so slow that I got frustrated with doing the same thing over and over again. The videos on my main channel that was getting a lot of views were just me making beats, and it became like a robotic thing. I wasn't on there talking, I was just making beats, making beats, making beats. Same camera angle, same setup, same thing over and over again. I got tired of doing it. It was draining me creatively. So that pushed me to really want to do something different, which was go back to my talking videos. They didn't get that many views, and people watched them sometimes, but the majority,
oh, I'm here for the beats,
you know, stuff like that. So I wanted to still do this way, give out my knowledge that I've learned over the years of doing YouTube and things of that nature. So I decided to make a separate channel for it, start putting it over here. It's going well, but I'm also over here trying to build up the monetization, need subscribers, need watch time, all that wonderful stuff. On my main channel, I'm still, so I can still put the videos over there, so that way they're generating income as well and building the audience, and also sending them over here. Like I may do the Vlad TV thing, put little previews on of a full video, like put this as a preview over there and tell people, if you want to know more, click the link in the description to go to the full video, you know, stuff like that. I may try that as an experiment as well. But anyway, back to this experiment. When it came down to me uploading beats, some people didn't want to hear me making beats. They like, oh, I want to hear, you know, just see you make the beats. So I just came for product reviews. So then I was running into that. Like I was thinking like, okay, what if I lose subscribers because I'm uploading beats all the time? So my solution that was to make a beat channel. So right there, I'm at 3 channels. And then I decided to try a whole new channel that wasn't tied to anything I was doing. Didn't have my name, nothing like that. You wouldn't even know it's me. I may not even tell you what it is at the end of this video, but I'm gonna share it. I came up with a brand that I wanted to work on and stuff, and it got so discouraging after spending a lot of time doing it and only getting like 2 to 3 views on the videos. It was Relax. That's what it was called. It was a channel where I was uploading just sounds to help you relax for, you know, like 8 hours of rain and stuff like that. So I sat here, pieced those videos together, all that stuff, put them out, and I'm like, okay, this stuff isn't really doing nothing, and my heart wasn't into it. Now I will possibly upload those to my main channel, and if I do that, it will just be because it's content that I already have and you guys may be interested in. It'll be an experiment. That's what I'm really learning with all this stuff. It's really an experiment and seeing what people are interested in and taking it and running with it and then just mixing stuff in here and there. And that leads me to where I'm at this moment right now. At this moment right now, my main channel has a mixture of my other 2 channels, which is the beat channel. I upload a beat at least twice a week. I have a schedule that I'm trying to stick to, and I upload these talking videos over there twice a week, and then I do a beat making video mixed in with a product video, or if there are no new products at that point in time, it will be just 2 beat making videos a week. So I upload 6 videos a week, leave Sunday as an off day for the upload. My reasoning for all of this is trying to grow. That's what I'm really chasing. I'm chasing growth, trying to figure out where I'm going next. And I felt like YouTube was hindering my growth for some reason, not really sure why, what's going on, but it was like I'll be dropping videos and they're not getting nowhere near what they used to be. The past 3 weeks, I've been uploading every single Monday through Saturday, and my growth on the channel, or based on views and stuff, is right where it was when I was only uploading once or twice a week. So that kind of gets discouraging, but it's all an experiment to me. I'm going to keep on uploading these videos over there, uploading regularly, just to see if it grows, because prior to me starting to upload not every single day, but you get what I'm saying, 6 times a week, I went 2 weeks without uploading, but my videos are still getting the same amount of views as those other videos. Like when you look at your analytics, it shows you. So I'm really curious to see over these next few weeks if it goes up, and if it doesn't, you know, I'm probably going to continue to do that, but I'm also going to put more push on this channel as well, where I would move from doing 2 videos a week to probably 3 videos a week, something like that, just to give it more time. So this whole YouTube thing is an experiment for me, but my thing is, I was just giving you guys an explanation as to what's going on with the videos over here, what's going on to the videos over there, and the whole experiment about trying to merge the channels together. I'm really trying to grow. If you guys have any ideas of some stuff that you would like to see, drop them in the comments below. I appreciate you guys tuning in for all these videos. Hopefully you all have a wonderful day. Take care.